At this point in the engineering design process, we have finished clarifying the team assignment and are ready to embark on the step entitled Understand the Problem in its Context. This step involves a deep dive into research related to your project. This research situates your problem in the context of a broader perspective. This step is critical to better understand your problem and must be completed before moving to the solution phase. During research, your team collects and organizes key information to learn more about the problem and the solution space. Specifically, you become familiar with the terminology, previous and similar solutions, related technology, economics, and other important aspects associated with your project. Why is research important? Research explains the context of the problem to be solved. Importantly, thorough research allows the team to explore how others have addressed similar problems, and it broadens the scope of possible solutions that you might consider. When conducting research, make sure that you research everything and then decide what is turned in, instead of only researching enough to complete the assignment. The research is really for the team themselves, not the client or the professor. Strong and thorough research arms the team with the information they need to move ahead in the design process. Doing a shallow dive for your research is like swimming in a baby pool. You might type in a keyword into Google, collect information from the first link only, and then stop. You might not develop a complete list of research topics that covers the breadth of the problem, and you might use Wikipedia as your major source. If you think about a baby pool, you can see all sides from one perspective. You'd hit your head if you try to dive because there's not a lot of water. Teams who do a shallow dive do not position themselves well for developing a successful solution. A team might develop a poor solution because they don't fully understand the problem, or they might fail to find an existing solution while doing research. Third, they might be unable to develop worthwhile ideas because they have not considered similar solutions. Finally, they might just try things that have already been proven to fail. In contrast, doing a deep dive for your research is like swimming in an Olympic sized pool. You find existing solutions, you have a deep knowledge of the problem, you've completed an exhaustive search. Multiple people have used multiple methods to search, and you use peer reviewed literature. If you think about an Olympic sized pool, it requires multiple perspectives to see the whole thing. It's deep enough to dive. Teams who complete a deep dive are more likely to find successful solutions. They have a thorough analysis of existing solutions and related technologies. They have a deep knowledge of the problem. Finally, they avoid attempting a solution that has been tried or failed. In summary, understanding the problem and its context through research is a critical step in the engineering design process. In upcoming videos, we're going to explore what you should research and how you can gather this information.